Traditional system of medicine. Allopathy. At the present time, it is the most predominant system of medicine and practiced in entire world. It provides quick response from the illness and help in the treating of people. एकदम क्विक रेस्पॉन्स देती है सभी सिस्टम मेडिसिन, जैसे सिद्धा सिस्टम और जी हकीम फकीम आते हैं उनसे, और यह होम्योपैथी सभी से. इट इज अ कन्वेंस सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन यूटिलाइज ड्रग प्रोड्यूसिंग एन इफेक्ट अपोज टू द सिम्टम्स इन एक्ट एज सप्रेसिंग द सिम्टम्स ऑफ डिसीज एज सून एज पॉसिबल. ये अपोजिट रेस्पॉन्स देती है, सिम्टम्स को सप्रेस करने के लिए ड्रग प्रोड्यूस करती है, इफेक्ट उसका डिसीज़ के सिम्टम्स को सप्रेस कर देती है. एलोपैथी सून इज ड्राइव एज ए नेचुरल एलोपैथी ऑफ ड्रग्स. हिस्ट्री ड्राइव फ्रॉम ग्रीक वर्ड से ड्राइव किया. एलोपैथी मीन्स डिफरेंट और पैथोस मीन्स सफरिंग. द टर्म एलोपैथी वॉज इन्वेंटेड बाय सैमुअल हैंसमैन. ट्रीटमेंट कैसे करते हैं एलोपैथी में? एलोपैथी ट्रीटेड देयर पेशेंट बाय द मेथड ब्लीडिंग, खून निकाल के, कपलिंग के, ब्लीचिंग के, पगिंग के, स्वेटिंग करा के, फ्यूमिगेटिंग पुर्गिंग के, ऑइंटमेंट, डिहाइड्रेशन, पाउडरिंग के लिए. और मेडिसिन देते हैं जैसे एंटीबायोटिक, एंटी मलेरियल, एंटी डायरियल, एंटी वोगुलेंट ऐसे. आयुर्वेदा. Ayurveda is a dominant herbal tradition in India. Still enjoy the faith and large number of peoples are, our country has perhaps the oldest system of healing in the world. आयुर्वेद सबसे पुराना ट्रेडिशन सिस्टम है इंडिया का, और इट एनकरेज बाय मेनी कंट्रीज लाइक जापान, जर्मनी. इट इज डेफिनेटली आयुर्वेदा ड्राइव फ्रॉम टू संस्कृत वर्ड्स का है, आयुर एंड वेदा. आयुर मीन्स लाइफ एंड वेदा मीन्स नॉलेज और साइंस. प्रिंसिपल क्या है आयुर्वेद? द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आयुर्वेद इज बेस्ड ऑन द कंसेप्ट ऑफ 5 एलिमेंट ऑफ एंड ट्राइडोसास. अकॉर्डिंग टू आयुर्वेदा, द होल यूनिवर्स इज मेड अप ऑफ 5 बेसिक एलिमेंट, पंच महाभूता. द 5 एलिमेंट मेक टुगेदर टू फॉर्म एन बेसिक ऑफ ऑल मैटर्स. 5 एलिमेंट्स आर आकाश, वायु, अग्नि, जल, पृथ्वी. जैसे आकाश मीन ईथर, वायु मीन्स एयर, अग्नि मीन्स फायर, जल मीन्स वाटर एंड पृथ्वी मीन्स अर्थ. The growth and development of body matrix depend on the nutrition and that is on food. Ether, Akash. It is a non-resistance. It is located in the cavity like mouth, thorax, abdomen, lungs, cavity, digestion tract. Air. It is related to the movement of vibration and oscillation. They manifest movement, muscles, pulsation and heart and contraction of lungs. Agni. Concern to the radiation, it manifests digestion, metabolism and temperature, vision and intelligence. Water. It related to the force and cohesion located in cytoplasm, blood, salivary glands and gastric juice. Earth. It concerned to resistance and solidity. They manifest skin, nails, hairs and bones. They are also closely related to in our ability and perceives and interact with the environment. Tridosa. The 5 elements combine to form tridosas, and that is Vata, Pitta and Kapha. They are the basic force also known as pillar of life. Vata means element ether and air. Pitta element fire and water. Kapha element earth and water. Factor responsible for imbalance of dosas are physical, mental, spiritual and environment elements of dosas. Treatment. The importance of treatment is to restore the balance of harmony of dosas with the proper diet and drug. Selection of drug. Rasa, taste. Virya, potency. Drug की potency कितनी है. व्यापक, taste after digestion. Rasa, sweet. Pitta increase, kapha decrease. Sour, water and air. Pitta increase. Saline हो गया bitter, pungent and astringent. वीर्य hot है जैसे garlic and drumstick. Cold जैसे जीरा, आंवला. Homeopathy system of medicines. Homeopathy. The word homeo derived from Greek word. Homeo means similar and patho means suffering. Homeopathy simply means treating disease with the remedies prescribed in the minute doses which are capable of producing a symptom similar to the disease, and they are taken by the healthy people. It is based on the natural law of healing. Similia, similus and concurrent means like are cured by like. Origin of and development. Homeopathy is a system of medicine treatment introduced by the Dr. Christian Friedrich Samuel Hahnemann. It is based on the medical science which work on the principle of similia, similus and triangle. Means cured are like by cure. It is also known as law of similia. Fundamental principle of homeopathy. Law of similia, law of simplex, law of minimum, doctrine of drug providing, theory of chronic disease, theory of vital force, doctrine of drug dynamism and causes of the disease itself. The causes of disease itself can be treated itself, that is law of similar based on the principle of homeopathy. The toxic or poisonous substances are called as miasmas are the response for the gene mutation. Miasmas are the three types: Sora, psychosis, and syphilis. Unani system of medicine. According to basic principle of Unani, the body is made up of four basic elements, that is earth, air, water, fire, and have different temperatures: cold, hot, wet, dry. Unani system organized in Greek. Hakim Amal Khan is Unani physician, also a freedom fighter in his country. It was introduced in India by Arabians and Persians. The body has a simple and compound organ which got their nutrition through four humors, that is body, phagum, yellow bile, and black bile. Unani medicine believes in the promotion of health, prevention of disease, and cure. Health of human based on six essential: atmospheric air, physical activity and rest, drink and food, sleep and wakefulness, excretion and retention, mental activity and rest. Used to treat the symptom, examine the pulse reading and examination of urine and stool. It has greater strength in skin disorder, digestive disorder, mental disorder, sexual disorder, and gynecological disorder and neurological disorder. Siddha system of medicines. According to traditional knowledge, Lord Shiva unfolded the Siddha system of medicine to Parvati and handed over to Nandi. It has a total 4,448 disease and symptoms and cure. This system believed that the human body is the replica of universe, so are the food and drug irrespective of their origin. The five principles of Panch Mahabhuta theory: Prithvi, Apu yani water, Thiyu and fire, Vayu and air, Akash earth. Imbalance of these systems cause disease. The equilibrium of humors is considered a health and disbalance is called as disease. Based on the principle of Triguna, Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Diagnosis. Diagnosis of disease involve identify its cure. Diagnosis is based on disease involved identify its cause. फिजिशियन चेक करता है पल्स, नाड़ी, ध्वनि स्पीच, त्वचा स्किन, टंग कलर, देह बॉडी, मलम फीसी, मूत्रम यूरिन, विजिल आई कलर. Treatment is based on the all diagnostic character of the patient. Treatment take into the according to the age, sex, race, habitat, physiological condition. Vaidya has knowledge of herbal and effectiveness. Siddha system extensive use of drug, vegetable source and mineral origin. Use of metals like gold, silver and zinc.